Hi, in this video, we will look at how to create campaigns in the Axonize Visibility Manager to track your company's online visibility. Online visibility of your company is measured by the number and the quality of inbound links to your company's website. A URL or website campaign enables you to measure online visibility of your company. A URL or a website campaign can aggregate all the conversations, that is web pages, visible on the internet that have an inbound link to your company's website or microsite. The Axonize Visibility Manager scans the web and finds all conversations visible in Web 1.2 and 2.2 media channels that have an inbound link to your website. It then aggregates them together in the form of a campaign. Let us now look at how we can create a URL or website campaign. To create a new campaign, let us click on Campaign and then New. We are now in the campaign creation screen. The first thing we do is to name the campaign appropriately. In this example, I will name the campaign as My Company. Let us say that my company is Airtight Networks and I want to analyze its visibility. We have two options now. The first is to set up a campaign for the entire website, airtightnetworks.com, and all the web pages below it. To do this, we select the website option and then we enter the URL of the website airtightnetworks.com in the text box. Then we go ahead and select what is this campaign exactly about. Is it about my company, my competitor, or other? In this case, it is my company and we select that option. Now we click on Campaign Preview to preview the initial results and see whether it matches our expectations. The preview analysis may take a couple of minutes based on the sheer volume of data that needs to be processed. So please be patient. If we are happy with the quality of results which are being shown, then we can go ahead and click on the Create Campaign button. Once we click on the Create Campaign button, the Axonize Visibility Manager does a thorough analysis, after which it presents us with the estimated number of results. When we create a website-based campaign, generally, the time for estimation runs through a couple of minutes. In this case, you can actually run the estimation and come back and check in around 5 to 6 minutes. After around 5 minutes and a lot of analysis, the system presents us with an approximate number of conversations which will be analyzed in this campaign. If we press yes, then the campaign creation progresses, and if we press no, then it is aborted. So let's go ahead and click yes to have the campaign created. As we can see, the system provides us with an alert saying that campaign creation has begun and that the analysis is going on in the background. Let's click OK. Once we press OK, we are taken to the campaign dashboard where currently the campaign analysis is going on. We'll come back to this dashboard a bit later. Let's go back, click on Campaign New to take a look at the second option we can use to create a campaign, and that is the URL. To use the URL campaign, first of all, we once again go ahead and enter an appropriate name for the URL. So let's say in this specific example, we want to analyze all the backlinks which point to the homepage of airtightnetworks.com. In this case, we mention the campaign name to be My Company homepage. Now let's select the URL option and type in the homepage of the company in the text box. We select the campaign type to be once again my company, and then we click on campaign preview to preview the results. Once we are satisfied with the result quality, we click on create campaign. This once again starts an estimation of the number of web pages which are linking to the homepage of airtightnetworks.com. Once the estimation runs, we get an approximate number of conversations which will be analyzed in this campaign. In this case, it is 162. If we want to continue campaign creation, we go ahead and press the yes button in the alert. This option will measure the visibility only of the web page with the URL airtightnetworks.com, which is the home page of the company site. So once the campaign creation has begun, we can monitor the progress via the dashboard. To access the dashboard, click on Home and then click on Dashboard. As we can see, the current progress for both the campaigns which we have created is at 0%, as the analysis has just started. Because of the deep analysis which needs to be done, the Axonize Visibility Manager takes up to 1 hour to complete a campaign creation. It is generally a good idea to start the campaign creation and check back in an hour. Note that we can create a URL or website based campaign even for a microsite or a subdomain on your website. For example, if you enter your product subdomain, the campaign will aggregate all the web pages linking only to your products page. Such fine-grained analysis ability enables you to create campaigns that measure the online visibility of targeted portions of your website. You are allowed to create multiple campaigns in succession. However, only one campaign will be processed per account at any given time. The rest of the campaigns will be automatically queued and will be processed as soon as the campaigns queued before them complete. You will be notified of the progress of a campaign through a progress bar on the dashboard. As we can see, the first campaign which we have created is currently running, and we are able to actually look at the percentage completed, which is 3%. Once the campaign creation has completed, you can click on the campaign name either from the user dashboard or select it from the master navigation menu on the top of the application. To know more about how to analyze a campaign for the marketing insights, please click on video icons located on the screens of the campaign dashboard. So you can click on any one of these video icons to understand how to use the product effectively. These videos describe the usage of the screen and various insights one can draw from the data. To activate and view any video, simply click on the video icon. Well, that's all in this video. If you have any further questions, please email us at support@axonize.com. Thank you.